Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best coffee makers in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the intricate details of each coffee maker, exploring their unique features, performance, and value for money, especially if you're a coffee connoisseur looking to elevate your brewing experience. So grab your favorite cup of joe, sit back, and let's dive into the world of coffee makers. I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Nespresso Vertuo Pot Machine Coffee Maker. Number 4. OXO's Brew 9-Cup Coffee Maker. Number 3. Breville Barista Touch Impress Coffee Maker. Number 2. Technivorm Moccamaster KBGV Select Coffee Maker. Number 1. Braun Brew Sense Drip KF 6050 Coffee Maker. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Unbox Evaluate family. We got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.